Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be installing some Tyger Auto side steps on my 2021 Jeep Gladiator JT. So let me show you what it looks like. This is how the box got arrived to me. It is fairly heavy, so let me go cut it open. Alright, so now that they're all out of the box, this is what they look like. Pretty beefy, real lightweight. It's all the brackets and hardware they're supplied. All of these will mount to the step itself, and then these will mount to the body of the Jeep. This is all the bolts, washers, and nuts that came with it too. Alright, so now we're moving on to the install process. I got my driver rear. As you can see, they're all stamped. It's kind of hard to see this one. Driver rear right there. And then all your hardware. You're gonna have two of these small ones with 4 washers, 2 nuts, one big one that goes to here and connects in here. The 2 little ones mount here to here, and then your one medium-sized ones gonna hook right up into that hole. Then we continue. It says driver center, driver front. So let's go ahead and bolt it up and see what happens. As you can see, we're all mounted up, ready to install the step. Here are the 2 little bolts I was showing you. So washer, bolt head, washer, nut, then big bolt attaching to the main bracket that connects these 2. And then your body mount going to that hole right there. And then the same thing goes all the way along. And you can see right here where they mount. So this center one is gonna mount perfectly to these. And the front and rear are gonna mount into those. All right, now that everything's installed, you see we got a flush mount all the way through. You don't see that pinch lip hardly unless you're looking down up here. It's all tight. You can see it's very stable. I'm gonna hop on real quick. Nothing moving. Super sturdy. Very nice. Plenty of ground clearance still. With the lift to be perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or message me separately. However you feel. I mean, I pretty much love these steps. It was a little extra to install. It took me some time figuring it out. Definitely read the instructions. Don't do like I do and try and skip them. But you read the instructions. The customer service is great. It took me about 10 minutes to install 1 step per side, so not very hard. Hope this helped. Thank you.